Hi everyone. Today I wanted to bring you a, well, not quite finished product, but this is the box where my controller for my motor is going to sit. So that is the heat sinks that I showed you before. I suppose I should do it lengthwise like that. So that's where all the transistors go. Obviously it's not hooked up to the motor yet, but that is the 24-pin connector right here. And that is, of course, it's not held down yet, but that's going to go through there. It's actually now a 30-pin connector because I put another 6-pin on there. So let's see here. There we go. So that's going to connect just like that. And then that goes into all the transistors, which are right there. And then the heat sink, which I don't know if I can get a good shot of the heat sink there. Yeah, you can kind of see it through the fan. There we go. Looks really cool with the blue light. So, yeah, pretty simple. I got it running off my power supply right now. So it's the two fans together are pulling 0.4 amps. So about 4.8 watts. The only thing that's not in here is there's going to be a voltage regulator. This right here is for that voltmeter, volt and amp meter that I showed you in the previous video. And because I'm going to be using at least 24 volts and the thing only goes up to 24 volts, I'm going to have a voltage regulator that keeps it, I think, at 12 volts, something like that. And that's going to have to be connected onto one of these. I can't see. I think actually both the black and the red for the voltage, for the voltmeter, is going to have to change. And then there's going to be, I think I'm going to mount it on the side of here. So it's going to be a voltage regulator with a heat sink on it. And that's supposed to be able to do with the heat sink 1.5 amps. So that should easily be able to run these two fans and the next two fans for the other wheel, once I get those together, plus the voltmeter itself, which I think only draws 0.07 amps, 70 milliamps, I think. So should be easily able to run those two at maybe 0.9 amps total. So I like the blue lights. I think those are looking pretty sweet. So this is just a short little video. I just bought these fans on eBay, by the way. I think they were like $5. So wasn't very much, but they seem to be working quite well. When I put the top on here, I don't know if you can hear that, but the sound is pretty intense. And it puts out quite a bit of air. I don't know how many CFM this is, but there's quite a bit of airflow coming through here. So there you can see that. So yeah, thanks for checking this out. Hope you like it. Subscribe to see the rest of this go-kart as it comes together. And like if you like it. And of course, have a great day.